I hate this testimony, Shep, because it's offensive. I think it is irrelevant, and the judge should have shut it down. At the same time, it does work, especially with conservative jurors. They don't like drug use. And even though we're quibbling over exactly what was said on the video, the main point is it's more talk about George Floyd using drugs. It's just a question about exactly how much he used.
There's a method to the way they're calling witnesses here, the prosecution. There's an order, and I wonder what you think of it.
Shep, I thought the order was good up to a point, but I second guessed that with the professional witness that we had today, the use of force expert, because due to no fault of his own, he answers questions like a professional witness, polite, to the point, concise, but that's why the defense was able to gain ground with him. So I think it would have been better to call him before the police chief. That way the police chief can come back and put a polite face on what the state's ultimate position in the case is.
David, you've been criticizing the prosecution throughout this trial for having just too many lawyers at the table. Today they had 4 of them. What is the message there?
Shep, it's not just that they had 4 lawyers. They had 4 lawyers, and one of the most memorable lawyers, Jerry Blackwell, wasn't one of the 4, which means they have at least 5. And the message is, as we've talked about before, you're creating a David and Goliath theme where you're Goliath. Generally speaking, when you have large trial teams, the rule is never more than 2 lawyers at counsel table. Never, ever, ever, ever. You don't want to look like you're teaming up on someone, and that's the message that's being communicated to the jury.
You've said repeatedly you think that this case is heading toward prosecution. Did today change anything? Anything stand out today?
Nothing really stood out today. It's hard to know what the jurors made of the testimony overall. At the end of the day, if you are a racist juror, if you are conservative and don't like drug use, then the way the testimony came out today in a dog whistle fashion, it does appeal to you. But the bottom line is this, Shep, we're not going to have a Johnny Cochran trial personality come out of this case. The lawyers are being driven almost exclusively by the witnesses and the facts, and ultimately, the state's case is stronger.
And the state thinks that they'll wrap up likely sometime maybe the end of the week or Monday. David, thanks so much. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.